Hi, welcome to the series of Userful support video tutorials. In today's video, we'll show you how to use a source switcher, a feature that allows the non-admin user to launch and switch sources on the displays or the video wall using a single click. Source switcher can be accessed through any device like a smartphone or a tablet that is on the same network as that of the host machine. We are currently looking at the Userful Control Center. Please note that this feature is enabled by default under the remote control settings in the Userful Control Center. To verify this, click on the Setting tab at the right-hand side of the Userful Control Center. Look for the remote control settings. You can see that this feature is already enabled here. There's a link to a website which takes you to the source switcher itself. Now you can also see that there's another option under the feature that says System Information and Control. If it is checked, the non-admin user will view the System Information and Control buttons on the source switcher user interface. We will leave it now and discuss it later in the video. We are back to the Userful Control Center. This is an admin interface. The admin has set up a content that will be available for the particular displays or a video wall. Please note that the sources that are required to be switched need to be in the same container, as in this case, Userful Desktop, Logo and Moraine Lake are set up in the same container by the admin. Now launch the web application using any device which is on the same network as that of the server. Type in the IP of the server /source. Please note that we are using the hostname of the test machine, which is set up locally. You can see that it took us to the source switcher screen. These are the three sources that were set up by the admin: Userful Desktop, Linux Desktop, and Cloud Desktop. You can choose the display that is going to show the content. Reboot this display. Restart or pause the content that is playing on the video wall. Clicking on the gear button is going to take you back to the Userful Control Center. Now you can see that the user is changing the content through the source switcher using the iPad. Please visit userful.com if you have any further questions. Thank you for watching our video.